That's all. No,
I think what
Call
was zip
Dover. She's awesome.
Okay, y'all battling now. What's up?
Let's
That's how you feel?
let's
Oh, Poop, show me how you get down on the dance side.
I need some music. That's music. He got down with right. I told Devontae to learn that dance. He would not learn. I kept telling him, you should learn that dance, Devontae. He won't do it. I'm going to play the music. That same dance he's doing, that's what all the people doing now.
So you could do a Poopy and Beth. Go ahead, get down. So you cranked out. Come on,
I tried to
Augs.
show him the video, the YouTube video, like, Devontae, learn this dance.
It's hard.
It ain't. It's so easy.
Augs just did it.
He just did it.
It's hard. It's easy to me. But the other song's hard for me. I can't understand.
No, that's not it. It's like,
See, it's hard.
Do it, Augs.
don't do what he was doing. Do what you was doing before.
Who?
I'm telling you, what he do, that's what all the boys do now. The crap that CJ was doing there. Everybody do that.